If you're a homeowner in the state of Florida, you need to hear this. Homeowners can save between 75 to 90% on their energy bill by switching to solar energy. Now, the savings depends on several factors, like the size of your solar energy system, which is key in enjoying the benefits of solar panels, the quality of the installation, and making sure the company you choose provides you the right financing options and the correct size to cover your consumption. Let's break this down even more. This means monthly, you save between $150 to $250. Annually, you save between $1,800 to $3,000. And during the lifespan of a solar system, which is 25 to 30 years, you save between $45,000 and $90,000. So, now that you know this, are you ready to save on your next energy bill? Call Solar Installers of Florida today at 407-777-5050 and they'll show you how.